Good morning, all my genius. Welcome in 7th standard. I am Ojashwini. I hope you all are good, healthy, and safe at home and enjoying your holidays. I want to inform you that from today we are going to start GK. So keep your GK book, notebook, pen, and all things with you. You have a GK notebook of 192 pages. Keep that notebook also with you. There are some instructions for you. So listen carefully. Study the chapter before and after the online classes. Do your classwork in GK book and homework in GK notebook. Classwork and homework must be in good, clean, and readable handwriting. Thank you. Now, chapter first, 7 amazing world superlatives. There are 7 pictures. I will read the description given below the picture. Number 1, it is the hottest place on the earth, recorded a temperature of 56.7 degrees Celsius on July 10, 1913, and this is Death Valley. And this temperature in Fahrenheit, this is 134 degree Fahrenheit. You can see in this picture that here the closest location of Death Valley. Then the next picture, it is the largest river in the world by volume. The river has over 2100 recognized species of fish. Name of this largest river is River Amazon, located in South America. You can see some different views from different angles of the river Amazon, and this view is taken from the above. Dolphin, or the pink dolphin of, or we can say the Amazon dolphin. The next, let's have a look of different views of Angel Falls. We know that this picture is of Angel Falls. With a height of 979 meters, it is the world's highest uninterrupted waterfall and located in Venezuela. You can see the different views of Angel Falls. I think this is taken from the above. The rainbow with Bright Angel Falls, Yosemite National Park. The next picture is, it is the world's highest mountain peak. It is 8,848 meters high above the sea level. Mount Everest, located in Nepal. Mount Everest from the International Space Station. Then view from Nepal. Then view of Mount Everest at the time of sunrise and sunset. Rainbow Valley, an open graveyard of Mount Everest or Death Valley. The area full of a dead body in the frozen air with their colorful cloth is known as a Rainbow Valley in Mount Everest. Basically, if someone dies high up in the Himalayan, above 7,000 meters, they will likely end up in Rainbow Valley. Death Zone, which is the elevation of 8,500 meters. Total death of 295 or 200 people have died in this area, and most of them died on the way to Camp 4 after the summit. Anyone who did not make it to the summit or Camp 4 after the summit, their body will likely end up in the Rainbow Valley. Then the next, this is the world's driest place. It gets just 0.04 inches of rain per year. Named Atacama Desert and located in Chile. And this scene is of Salty Moon Valley in Atacama Desert in Chile at sunset. Then Atacama Desert, the ancient alien landscape of northern Chile, hand of the desert at night. It is a man-made statue. One of our favorite night sky photographers, Yuri Battlesky, captured this image of Chile's Mano del Desierto, a huge sculpture of a hand, roughly 36 feet or 11 meters tall in the Atacama Desert. It is located about 47 miles or 75 kilometers to the south of the city of Antofagasta, Chile. You reposted this photo to Earth Sky Facebook on March 30, 2018. The most popular season for visiting the Atacama Desert are the summer months of December, January, and February. The pleasant day temperature and warmer night make a wonderful time to explore the desert. Look, beautiful scenes. Then, beautiful views of Lake Baikal. With an average depth of 744.4 meter, it is the oldest and the deepest lake in the world. Lake Baikal, located in Siberia. Lake Baikal, clean water view. The view during winter. Turquoise ice, Lake Baikal. Then, awesome view of Lake Baikal in winter season. Frozen water. Then, methane bubbles frozen in Lake Baikal during winter season. Next, it is the largest lake in the world. It has a surface area of 3,71,000 square kilometer or 1,43,200 square miles. Caspian Sea, located in Russia, and this view is taken from the space. Next, views. Then next, beautiful view of sunrise and sunset of Caspian Sea. Then the night view taken from above. This right one, it is the Caspian Sea, and this left side, this is the Black Sea. Next, your homework. Form 5 fill in the blanks from chapter number 1, and the main answer you will write with black pen, rest of all with blue pen. Thank you. Wish you have a nice